video. So first thing you need to do is create a login and go in, and you'll be under the journal. You need to add your students, and you can add students down here and just add them like that. Once you have added all of your students, you're going to need to send them the code so that they have access to it and then they can post things. Every time I try to download the codes, it goes into a weird scrambled like coding page. So if you go to print codes, it will open it up as a PDF, and then you can just save this and send it to them that way. Once you have your class all set, you can just create a Google Classroom assignment that says go on to Seesaw and do something. Like we did a scavenger hunt this morning, so here is all my kids from this morning with their scavenger hunt items that they found, and they can post videos. Anything that they post, you have to approve before it will go anywhere. So if they post any videos that are inappropriate, or if they try to post under somebody else's name, nothing will actually happen until you approve it, which is nice. So that's where they can just add a journal entry. You can also go to activities, and you can see these are our activities that we did all last week. So when you want to make an activity, this is my library, so I can create something new. So these are all ones that I have created, or you can go to the community and you can search. And there are a ton of resources already out there that other teachers have created. Because of everything, there's a ton of remote learning ones. So before you try to make one, I would search for one because there's a lot of great ideas out there. But if you have a specific activity in mind that you want them to be able to do, you can just create it right here. So like for example, here is a multiplying fractions on a number line assignment that I created. So this is just a picture that I imported, and then the students can each work on that themselves. So I'm going to show you how to create one. So I'm going to assign activity. I'm going to create a new one. I am going to call this just word problem. And then here is where you would type the directions for them. You can just add voice instruction if they don't need to see anything. You can add a video if you want to record a video and add it to it. And then you can also add a template, which is what I'm going to do for this one. So you can take a picture, you can import a video, you can just do a link if you have like a link to something that you want them to see, or you can upload a Google Doc or anything off of your drive can be uploaded that you can work on. If you find just one question that you want them to work on, I like to just save them to my desktop and then drag them over. And now they have a word problem that they can work on. And I don't need to do anything else to this because this is the space that they are going to work. So I am done. I'm going to save it. Now it's saved in your library, but it won't actually go to the kids until you click assign. So if you click assign, then you choose the class that you want it to go to, and then you assign it to one class. And now they have it. So that is how you do activities. You can just post things to a journal. This is where all of your messages will come up letting you know if somebody has posted something. It'll send you a notification about it. If you get anything from a student, it will show up here. And then you can approve things that the kids have finished. So that is how to just post assignments for them.